back to Ash Sash. Whew, I am so excited to get going with things in the new year, and this first video I am sharing with you will be a hair transformation. So I'm going to just kind of walk you through my process and what I did at home to get this look, and kind of talk you through how my hair was before. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna talk about my hair journey a little bit. Back in April, I had fully bleached my hair at the salon, and I had 2 fresh colors put in from Pulp Riot Hair. Those colors were pretty pastel when I initially got them put in, so they faded pretty quickly. By the end of the summer, I decided I wanted to add a couple Arctic Fox colors that I have. So I had used this color before, and I just kind of laid it over a hair color that I had previously, and I really liked how it turned out, so I decided I was going to use the rest of this and add Purple Rain to my root, because my root had grown out quite a bit and I kind of just wanted to be able to blend it. The aquamarine color held really well in my hair, like it didn't want to come out. So I went ahead and purchased this L'Oreal hair color remover. It was really cheap, and it was one of the hair color removers they had at Ulta.com. I had a gift card, so that's what I used. I would recommend probably finding something a little bit nicer, but the color remover did definitely lift the aqua out, but you can still see quite a bit of the green was left behind. So when I mixed up the colors, I added quite a bit of the Purple Rain to the periwinkle just to make sure that it canceled out enough of that green. Pinks and reds tend to cancel out green. The Purple Rain hair color is actually on the warmer side, so it does have a bit more of the pink hue in it than the periwinkle did. So I just went ahead and mixed a tiny bit of the Purple Rain in with the periwinkle, and it came out a little darker than I had really wanted it to be. But you can see in this root area all the way down to here is where I kept the Purple Rain, and then I tried to keep the periwinkle more on the ends. And you can't see it as well now, but I feel like when it fades out a bit more, you'll be able to really see the difference in the hair color transition. So yeah, I don't know, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I really like the purple, and I'm excited to see how it fades, honestly. So this was my little hair transformation video. I hope it helped. I really have been liking Arctic Fox hair color, and I plan on, you know, trying out more of their colors probably in the future. If there are any brands you would like me to review or try out, go ahead and leave suggestions in the comments below. And I am so excited to be making more content in the new year. I have a lot more time, and things just seem to be a lot more comfortable in my life, so I can actually like sit down, talk in front of the camera, and talk to you guys and share content again. I'm so excited for that. So until next time, bye!